Hey guys, what's going on? It's T-Carp. All right, let's open this ETENWOLF up a little bit, okay? So I'm gonna flip you all around. Let's rock and roll with this. Let's open this up a little bit. I don't think we're gonna need this, but it's worth a shot. What's in the box? So we've got the Zephyr S5 pump and air compressor, air chuck, user manual, high pressure nozzle, inflation needle, all that, USB-C cable, and power cord. Heck yes. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Rock and roll, that's pretty badass. Oh, that's cool. Let's see how much. Okay, full battery. All right, let's see. Coming right out of the box. Let's see what it's got for me. Oh, that comes pretty daggum nice. Let's do this. Let's do the regular tire inflator. Let's come over here, boys and girls. We're about to find out. All right. And again, this is right out of the box, obviously. Let's see. I like the connectors. Hold on, let's see. Sorry. It uses this regular connector, which this connector is nice. Like really nice. All right, I'm at 16. Let me show y'all. I'm at 16. I want to go to, so I want to go mode. Let's see if I can just figure this out. Okay, let's go truck. I want to do, let's do 32 PSI. And frickin', let's go. All right, guys, that's pretty daggum impressive. And that is literally right out of the box. Haven't charged it, nothing. And I mean, that thing packs a little bit of a punch. I want to test it some more. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in the car. And guys, I'm really impressed. This thing's like $100. They sent it to me and we're gonna keep playing with it. So, all right, stay with me, guys.